In this video, I will be talking about starter motor for generator. Starter motor generator. That is what I'll be talking in this video. I'll tell you how you can assemble it from beginning to the end in less than 5 minutes. Please don't skip any part of this video so that you can understand how you can assemble starter motor generator. That is how you can do. You can see on the screen, this is the armature. Now the armature is being installed on the casing of the starter motor. You can see this is the armature. The armature has been tested. The armature is okay. The armature is okay. The armature is okay. As you can see, this is the stator. I'm holding the stator now. I want to install the stators in the armature. What I'm showing now is the brushes. You can see that's for brushes. That is the brushes. That is the spring. I'm installing the armature now. I'm installing the stator now on the spring on the armature. Now I've installed this. You can see the brushes now is still on the bearing, which is not too good. So I want to ensure that it enter. So that is what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to press it backward. I'm trying to press it backward. Yes, I'm trying to press it backward so that it can enter. I'm trying to press with the screwdriver to press the brushes so that it can enter on the slip ring. The brush is supposed to be on the slip ring, not on the bearing. So I'm pressing it. It has spring, so it's something you can press. You press it one after the other. As you can see now, it's now on the slip ring. As you can see, so rotate it a bit to ensure that it's rotating very well. It's rotating very well. As you can see now, it's rotating very well. Yes, the next thing you have to do now is this side is the solenoid. This is the solenoid. This solenoid is still part of the starter motor too. You can see the solenoid is being installed here. That is the solenoid. I check the spring. It must be springing like this. If it's not springing, then there's problem. If it's springing, then you're free to cover that side. This is just how to assemble a starter motor generator. This is made for generator, but it can also be used in other cars and other vehicles too. This is how to assemble it. Now, I'm trying to assemble the solenoid first. That is solenoid part. That is the solenoid part. That is the solenoid part. Now you need to assemble the cover. You need to assemble the cover. As you can see. Now I want to connect the wire. This wire link from this starter motor to the solenoid. The wire has been screwed. I put the knot. Now let me use 13 spanner to lock it. It has been locked. Now the work is almost done. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. And if you have any question, please tell me below. Now I'm just putting the cover now. Ensure that it is properly covered. If you have any comment, please ask me in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video too, tell me in the comment section which video you would like me to do next concerning the starter motor, or which part of this video that you don't really understand. You can ask me in the comment section so that I will answer you in the comment section. You can see I put in the bolt and the screw now. You can see now. Yes, exactly. I'm screwing it now. After screwing it pinning, the job is done. If you enjoyed the video, please give me thumbs up. Please give me